Just add a few drops of lemon to the petroleum jelly. Most people have no idea what happens next. This mixture has been used for years by those who really know what they are doing, but for some reason, almost no one teaches it the right way. It may seem strange at first, but what happens after you try it has led many people to abandon old habits and completely change their routine. And the most surprising part, this is just the first of 3 recipes. The last one is the most powerful, one of those secrets that are rarely shared, because once people discover it, they keep it like a treasure. But first, let's start with the first one. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of petroleum jelly and a generous pinch of ground cinnamon. Stir slowly until you get a smooth and creamy paste. It may seem too simple, but that's exactly where the magic hides. This combination triggers something hard to explain. Many describe it as strangely addictive. The sensation on the skin, the unexpected glow, and the striking smell that fills the room. It turns a basic step into a real ritual. But don't be fooled, this goes far beyond skincare. It's a formula with presence. It calms, captivates, and yes, even becomes addictive, in the best possible way. Maybe you've tried something similar, but it's likely nothing like this. Now pay attention. What comes next doesn't appear in common tutorials. It's the kind of behind-the-scenes trick that people keep to themselves once they discover it. It seems simple, but the result is almost professional. Take a small cup, add 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly and the same amount of toothpaste. Mix until you get a smooth and shiny paste. Done! You've just created a secret that only the most discreet experts know. Apply with a soft cloth to lenses, watches, phone screens, or delicate surfaces. And what happens seems like magic. Store-like shine, no stains, and a finish like new. The before and after is impressive, even for people who have tried everything. Some swear that after this, they never spent another penny on cleaning products, because this tip isn't passed around in group chats. It's whispered among those who really know what they're doing. If you're someone who notices the small details, this could be your new secret weapon. And now, the highlight. A formula that seems harmless, but has a power you would never expect just by looking at it. Cut a lemon, remove the seeds, and use only the juice. In a small container, add a full tablespoon of petroleum jelly. Mix until you get a thick, rich cream. Now, here's the part that almost everyone neglects. The activation. Heat 2 cups of water, but don't let it boil. Place the container with the mixture into the pan. Using the double boiler method, stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. This is when the ingredients combine and unlock all their potential. Now, the practical part. Apply to key areas: elbows, knees, face and feet. The areas that are always dry. The result: deep hydration, velvety skin, and a refreshing coolness that feels wonderful. Many people say that after the first time, they never stopped using it. The best way: apply before bed. And in the morning, just rinse as usual.